Yeah, guys, don't know beautiful good morning to you all, you know what I mean? Don't know djswicked vlogs here. Yeah, don't know. Hope you all doing well. Yeah, man, me just stay out go on, you know, doing an update on what's going on for the day, so stay tuned. I'll me keep on posted, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you don't know, one love, guys. Keep subscribe, like, share, you know, comment. You know, without the comment we can't know what's going on, you know what I mean? So the right thing, guys. You see me? Let's go now. It's not a real market day for me today, so you see me? Me just stay home and go on easy car from week we kinda busy. All about I do the do, you see me? Yeah, man, but now me just I head out on the street, make a little walk in the community. You see me? So me just show you what it's like, you know. Blessings them boss. Yeah, man, this is here Castle community. We have a lot of, you know, trees up in this community. You know, I have no whole heap of big house yet. Yeah, I have a couple big house, but you know, no portion like that. You see, yeah, man. If you notice the house and the space here away from each other, so you can see say you are mostly, you know, up here cool though. Yeah, can't escape that. See beautiful sky the same way. Yeah, man, because nothing much to show no for the day, but at least still can find something for showing, right? Yeah, man, because the thing going on. Yeah, man, see how them road are narrow too. Narrow like me don't know if you say. Yeah, man, come like naval man and the vehicle can't pass. Yo, yeah, man, I tell her, grass come out, we out narrow, the road them get narrow star and thing. When me and you, them road are very broad, you know. Yeah. Say that, you know, it come like a joke, but a real talk, you know. Yeah, man, so tune in with me same way as me keep on posted, you see me? Yeah, man, natural way. My daddy, here Castle basic school, you know. Take a view, try with me and me show you. You know, I can't go over the school because it's locked, but you know, just showing a little quick view of the school. That pink building is a post office, you know. Yeah, man, so don't know, I just couldn't see a little front view right. Tour in the community, you know. Yeah, man, this is the post office, you know. Yeah, man, this is the front of it. Yeah, step up and go up, you know. Yeah, man, it's a great vibes, community chat, you know. Yeah, man, over there is a little church. You see me, then call it the Abraham Baptist. You know, it was a bigger building when me a youth, but you know, you know, I think one of them breeze it, you know, mash up. So you don't know. Yeah, man, that little building they them put up from that, you know. Yeah, man, so them little planting there, one little bridging, just put them on the front page, you know. Film little shop the same way. Yeah, man, so you don't know, it's a great vibes. Yeah, man. Airy Castle tour, you know. djswicked vlogs. Hope you guys full joy that video, you know. Yeah, man. Right now, made it into the Airy Castle primary school, you know what I mean. Yeah, you don't know that school I'm attend. Yeah, it's a great vibe, so just passing by and I say, yo, just, you know, make you see a little about the school I'm attend, you know. Yeah, man, I mean, I go on the school ground, but I'm gonna just make you see a little. Yeah, man. Unity is strength. From day one. You don't know that's our school motto, you know. Yeah, man, it's a great vibe like kids playing and thing. You know, so that's the vibes, guys. Yeah, man, great vibes. So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, man. They are going shot along. You know, yeah, man, as me telling you, you know, my community, me there an idea. Yeah, go and do the right. Yeah, man, so one love, guys. You know, peace out. Catch you know. You see me? Good day. Now I'm gonna head to see what's going on up at the domino game. How was that?
Valve, man.
Oh, bend up.
Ugly up.
Jaja God. I want to little hole there, man, take it from to, you know. Good a deal, bad man. Yo, I just, know we have to know the thing, you see me? Know legit name, you know. But I see them little youth and I say, yo, I just be a weed, the man, them are about in a hand, me go. You see, say, man, they have talent. Yeah, man, no joke. Yeah, man, proud to see them little something and can vlog it to make you see what I go on, you see me? Don't know that all part of my game, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I custom this, you know. Yeah, could a deal. You see me? Yeah, man. Man, outside I did in thing, you know, my youth. The man have a mechanic, I do nothing for him, you know. I want to see what I go on, you know, guys. You see me? Yeah, man, you see, say you ain't full of talent, though. Yeah, man, I know those SWICKED alone have talent, you know. I eat, man. Don't I bite belly down there, you know. I want to see what I go on to. Belly that the man I take out there, so.
I ate that one.
How are the head? Jaja. See how the man I did it? Yeah, man. Man, I love to deal with things, you know, fix things, you know. Yeah, man. No joke. Man, I there foreign man, I would have rotten rich right now. No joke about it. And our next bad one did it too, you know. Bad Butch, you call him. And I time when I see him, probably I give you one stunt or sitting. I saw them man they do it, you know. Never lie. Just stay a cruise from a bicycle. I go and take time study, you know. Don't know. Hope you like the tour in the community so far, you know. Yeah, man. Tell her it's a great look, you know. One thing me see with the road, them like them would have want a little bushing and thing, but hopefully, you know, we see little of that in our future, you know. And the MP them, but I mean it's a great look. If you like it, just let me know in the comment section. You know, want to think about that video, yeah. You know. I don't know, we have to put in like a pot one night sometimes, so I don't feel no way, you know. Just not the things me I show today. And hope you guys enjoy, you know, a little tour in the community today. So one love, guys. Yeah, right now I feel like I want to do a nice little vlog pan one little place in my community. Yeah, we call that place a honey hole. You see what I say? Yeah, man. A lot of people go to pass and see it and I wonder what the name of that place. You see what I say? Yeah, man. It's a very unique place, the rock hillside, yeah, and me I tell you, watch a huge tree there up on the rock there, so, you see what I say, so when I say something is not like, you know, me I say something look nice or whatever, so you know, just run come on board. Yeah, really something where, you know, you have to look one. Look how the tree root just grew up on the rock. You see, pray, yeah, we call it one as a honey hole, man. You see me? Yeah, man, nice settings. Yeah, so stay tuned and show no much little more. Come off of the bicycle and show a little more about the community. You see, pray? Yeah, man. That's why it stays same way. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a very unique place, man. Why am I not so brave to climb the rock, you know what I mean? Because I climb the rock, you know, that's a little more, you know? Yeah, yeah. For one time when I was youth, you know, I tell you, say, whole heap of bees used to eat and thing. We used to have liquor. I don't know if I only how I used to drop out of the rock. But yeah, whole heap of bees used to eat. But since lately, I don't see no bees night. Again like that, you see, pray. Yeah, man, but yeah, man, good old honey hole. Yeah, man, honey hole, we call it, you know. I don't know what they call them rock there, you know, but the rock is special. You have to watch all the rat back up underneath the cock up. Head we I wonder if you can see him. Yeah, guys, I just see all the rat bat feces down there, something to see me. You could have these, so they carry the arm on there and them little food settings there. So like them I run up underneath the only whole rock here now. So they must spread their wings wide and then sitting there and see me. Yeah man, so you see me, it's a vibes, you see me? Yeah man, so as me telling you before, say it's all about my community and idea, so that I pray for the day, you know what I mean? Yeah man, welcome to Airy Castle on a honey wall. You see pray? Yeah man, taxi up pass same way. Yeah, we no ramping up on the main road. See pray? Yeah man, it's a great vibes guys. Yeah man. I tell you, say it's a great vibes, look up all up now then it could wall eh. Yeah. Forward me a youth, me just climb going up at them place eh. See pray, but man a man no man now do certain things. Yeah man. But me I tell you, it's a great vibes man. Some unique flowers always there here from me a youth I go school. You have them little flowers they run on the rock like that. Always around the whole heap. Yeah man. So that's the vibes. Yeah man, whole a only whole this. Yeah, I have only whole gully, but you know I really sit down there like that again. Due to the bush them I grew up and all of that. But yeah man. It was a deep gully, all one man when he Rocky, you know, go down the gully there too, you know. So they call it Rocky Gully, you know. Change it from only whole to Rocky Gully. Because one man from Sunny and Rocky they go over there, you know. Yeah man, one time the place never look so bushy and something you could have see the rock there more. You know? Yeah man, and around here so it's a little mall hole. You see me, but as me I say, most of the bush them kind of take over the place. You see me, one time gone it was like a beer mall I look on. Right here. It was like beer mall, but through the bush them grew up and all of that now. But I don't know if you can see beyond the bush, you have a little piece of rock. You see me? Yeah man, but as a youth, a beer mall used to dig out around and they just carry a picker come on. You know? All the way you see them little grass they cover. I just lone mall, that's some place. Yeah man. I tell you, I try to see if we can reach our little spot. We make you see say, I don't joke thing. Me talk. Yeah guys. Yeah man. Alright, me don't know if no one know search me out. Yeah, this is search me out, you see me? Yeah man, that's the vibes. Search me out to call a bush there. Yeah, whole heap of firm. Yeah, whole heap of firm now them place. But look right through that little piece of bush because up on one hillside, you know. And me don't know if any wasp is here. But me just want to know see say mall is up there, you know. Yeah man, the whole of them place are mall area. Whole of them place if you come and dig with any little thing. You know, let's see if we can dig somewhere. Let's see if we can dig. I guess my finger supposed to can show no. So it's a mall place. Yeah, that's the vibes that I show no. Just, you know, pure mall. So round here was just the mall area. And then you have round the next side there. Which was just what we just call honey wall. But round that part was like a mall pit. You know, the whole out here some holiday where you see level you know. Yeah, and when them fix the road in the early 90s, them like dig up more for most of the mall here. So the whole out there so where you see the fern them look high in the ear and not really rock. Up at them part the mall go back right round. You know, so that's the vibe guys. You know, stay tuned for another epic video, intense video. You see me from djswicked. Yeah guys. I don't know Team SWICKED, djswicked vlogs. Yeah. Stay tuned. Keep subscribe, you know. All the thing go already. You know what I mean? Keep like up the thing, keep share it. Yeah. Don't afraid to leave a comment guys. Because once you leave a comment guys, you can work off of that and you know make the thing more spicy or so. Love you all. Yeah. See you next time again. Peace out.